Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to the millet series today. I've made ragi idli and I've made the recipe from scratch. So most of the recipes online are made using ragi flour, but I've used whole ragi for this recipe. The ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. So I've got lots of millet recipes on my channel. If that's something which interests you, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell. So let's move on to the recipe. First, we have to soak the ingredients. For this, I've taken whole ragi which I've soaked in water after cleaning it. And I've also taken some urad dal and fenugreek which I've soaked separately. Now, we're going to let this soak overnight, after which we'll be preparing the batter. So after soaking it overnight, I've taken the urad dal and the fenugreek in a mixie jar. And I'm going to grind it nicely into a smooth paste. I've removed the paste into a bowl. Now we move on with the ragi. I've added the ragi to the mixie and I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste again. Now I'm going to mix the ragi batter into the urad dal batter. Add some salt to taste. And then using my clean hands, I'm going to mix both of this together nicely. So make sure your hands are clean and then go ahead and mix both the urad dal batter and the ragi batter together so that it becomes one. Once this is done, we need to ferment the batter like all idli batters. So we'll let this ferment for 6 to 12 hours. I'm going to close this and let this sit to ferment. So my batter is fermented nicely. You can see it's rising nicely. So now I'm going to mix this into a idli batter using a ladle. Okay, so I've mixed it nicely. If you feel like you need to add a little bit of water to this, you can add it at this stage. Then I've greased some idli plates and poured the batter into it. And I'm going to steam the idli on high flame for 10 minutes. And your ragi idli is ready to be served. Do try this with the onion chutney which I posted last time. I'll leave a link below and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.